Welcome to Jay Patel Mahila Science College. In chemistry, chapter number 4, alcohol, phenol, ether and epoxide. In previous lecture, discuss alcohol, phenol, ether and epoxide definition and example. Today's discuss alcohol. How to prepare alcohol means preparation of alcohol. Alcohol is prepared in various method or various type of method to prepare out alcohol. In first method, how to prepare alcohol in aldehyde. In aldehyde. Second, ketone. Third, carboxylic acid. And fourth, ester. Means alcohol is prepared by aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and ester. Now step by first, how to prepare alcohol by aldehyde. Aldehyde means R, C, double bond O and H. This is the general formula of aldehyde. This is the aldehyde. R means alkyl group. In aldehyde, in prepare out alcohol. Generally, aldehyde is reduce means reduction. This is the production is reduction. What is called reduction? Reduction means adding hydrogen or remove oxygen is called reduction. In aldehyde, reduction means H2 in presence of catalyst platinum, palladium or nickel to prepare out RCH2OH. This is the alcohol. Simply reduction means hydrogen and here double bond is removed to prepare out the alcohol. This is the first method of alcohol prepared by aldehyde. Second method, ketone. Here R, C double bond O and here R. Aldehyde, here hydrogen. In ketone, here alcohol. Same reduction process, same catalyst is platinum, palladium to produce RCH, here OH and here R. This is alcohol. This alcohol is secondary means here 2R. This is the primary. This is the secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means here 2R group is present. Therefore this carbon is secondary. This is secondary alcohol. Same method aldehyde and ketone. Third method, carboxylic acid means R, C double bond O, OH. This is the acid, carboxylic acid. In carboxylic acid, same reduction process, here same reduction process in presence of Li, LH for lithium aluminate hydride and H2O. H2O means H plus and OH minus. Here reduction process 2 are, here oxygen is removed because this is production is reduction. Reduction means oxygen remove or hydrogen add. In carboxylic acid oxygen is removed and here hydrogen atom is attached, and this is also as a alcohol. This is the primary alcohol. Why? Here one R group is present. Fourth method is ester. Ester means R C double bond O and R. This is the structure of ester. Same reduction process in presence of LiLH for lithium aluminum hydride and H2O, H plus and OH minus. Here reaction is small changes. Here first of all, here R C OH and here the bond is break. In H2O, one is H plus is added here. Here H plus and another is OH minus. H plus added here and OH minus added. So first of all R C double bond O. Here bond is broken means R C. Here bond is broken means single bond and hydrogen, and another hydrogen is here and another hydrogen is here. OH group is adding and another ROH. Here R dash, here R. Means here one is alcohol and another is a alcohol. In ester, two esterification reaction. First of all, here in another way, ester reduction process. Here bond is broken when R C double bond O. Here bond bracket and OH minus is added. Another R dash O. This is the another method to esterification. Here R C double bond O R dash. Here H2O means H plus and OH minus. Here H plus and OH minus. First of all, this OH group is adding here. Therefore R C double bond OH. Another H plus group adding here. This is the acid, carboxylic acid, and this is the alcohol. In acid, to prepare alcohol, this method is here. How to prepare acid to alcohol? Further reaction, reduction. Here further reduction in presence of lithium aluminate hydride and H2O to further produce alcohol. This here simply one step to clarify this step. This is the method of preparation of alcohol by various methods. In question another is how to prepare primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Another question is how to prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Or question is primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol prepared by Grignard reagent. This is the two type of question, means primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol prepared. Here first of all our knowledge, primary means ROH. This type of alcohol is called primary, means OH group attached by 1. Here one alkyl group means this is the primary alcohol. Another example is RCH2OH. This is also as a primary alcohol. What is secondary alcohol? Here R, here carbon, here another alkyl group RDase, and here OH group attached is called secondary alcohol. Third means tertiary alcohol, means R, here carbon, here another alkyl group, here another alkyl group, and here OH group. This is the tertiary alcohol. Means in this process prepared out alcohol primary, secondary and tertiary in presence of Grignard reagent. So first of all discuss how to prepare primary alcohol. In primary alcohol starting reagent is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde to prepare out the primary. Formaldehyde means HCHO. This is the formula of formaldehyde. But structure is HCH double bond. This is the formaldehyde structure. In formaldehyde react with RMgBr, RMgCl, RMgI, and any halogen compound is present, means Grignard reagent RMgBr to prepare out primary alcohol. Here RMgBr in presence of ether, then reaction is starting. Here double bond broken, and here this R and Mg group is broken, and here one double bond is broken. One double bond broken means here hydrogen, this carbon, and one oxygen, means here double bond is broken, single oxygen is added. Another, here two type, one bond is broken, means R group is attached here, means carbon attached with R. Here oxygen have a partially negative charge because here bond is broken, and one is the MgBr, means OMgBr. This is the intermediate step of Grignard. And finally react with the H plus and OH minus, means react with H plus and OH minus. Now H plus and OH minus reaction, here oxygen have a minus charge, MgBr have a, means H plus is directly attached in oxygen, therefore H, C, H, here OH, here R, and MgBr is removed and OH minus is attached. MgBr is partially positive charge, this is partially negative charge, means here H plus is attack on oxygen, here bond is broken, and OH minus is attack in MgBr. So MgBrOH. This is our primary alcohol. This is the method of primary alcohol preparation. Second one is secondary alcohol. How to prepare out the secondary alcohol? Primary alcohol prepared in formaldehyde. Secondary alcohol is prepared out any aldehyde, not formaldehyde. Means formaldehyde side is not to prepare out secondary, another aldehyde is required. Here aldehyde to prepare out the secondary, means another aldehyde R C double bond O H. This is the aldehyde. Here H, then this is the formaldehyde one. But here secondary alcohol requirement, therefore here formaldehyde is not required. There aldehyde same process requirement are MgBr, Grignard reagent. First step, here OH group is broken, then R, C, O, Mg, Br, here H, and here A. Here both R is not same, that's why here R dash means here R dash. And further, in presence of H plus and OH minus, same reaction R, C, OH, H and R dash. This is secondary alcohol and byproduct is MgBrOH. Same method how to prepare tertiary. Tertiary requirement is ketone to prepare out tertiary alcohol. Here ketone R, C double bond O and R dash. This is the ketone react with R, MgBr, here R double dash. First step is R, C, O, MgBr, another R dash, here another R double dash. Further react with H plus and OH minus. Here R, C, here OH, R double dash and R dash. And byproduct is MgBrOH. This is the tertiary alcohol